What's going on, traders? So, after all the comments on my recent videos, I decided to try this Take Profit Trader. If you're looking to get an account, use the code COVETRADER, save yourself 40%, and there's no activation fee when you become funded. I might as well do like a Take Profit Trader review for anybody that doesn't have an account, kind of explain the differences between this and some of the other firms. I will be trading this live on my stream. 1:30 p.m. is usually when I come on, or 2 o'clock till the end of the day. There are big differences between this and some of the other firms. One, there's a daily loss limit, but that daily loss limit, you lose your account. When you have like Top Step, the daily loss limit is only $1,000, but if you hit it, it stops you for the day. You could trade the next day. Here, you actually lose your account. You could trade 6 contracts at a time compared to 7 or 10 on other places. To be honest with you, I'm trading one contract on this. I'm trading one contract. I'm going to trade it conservatively, and I'm only taking the best setups that there are with my Take Profit Trader account. I want to grow this slowly. Also, you can't pass in one day. You have to trade 5 days to pass. So there's really no rush to slam contracts. My goal is probably to make about $500 a day in here and kind of pass it probably between 5 and 8 days is what I'm trying for. Obviously, you can only trade the permitted products. I'm only trading NQ anyways. And then, as you can see, this is a brand new account. I got it today. It is Saturday, so I will trade it on Monday. I set it up in Tradeovate. I got to set up some of the other stuff here. Some of my indicators, even though I'm going to be trading off of... TradingView. I like to have certain indicators on this chart. So I'll add those before we start trading it on Monday. Basically, this is the website for anybody that hasn't been there. What's good about this is if you get funded, you could take money out on day one as long as you pass the certain amount. I think it's 52,000 or 52,500 or 600. I'm going to look into it. The one-time fee is waived with my coupon code, which is obviously great. You don't have to pay $130. I know people that get paid daily. They just constantly pull out money. Somebody was in my stream, and the max you could do is $10,000. They said they hit the max, and they were getting paid $10,000 in a day, which is crazy. That is a massive hit. But if you get a nice trend day and you're in even one contract, you can pull out a nice chunk at the end of the day. Account setup is pretty simple. They have rhythmic accounts and they have Take Profit. They don't Take Profit. They have Tradeovate accounts. I did the Tradeovate one just because it's pretty easy. Everything I've read, they don't allow bots, but you could do DCA. You can kind of do whatever you want. They don't really care. You just can't hit the loss limit. And you got to trade the account for 5 days to get funded. Once you're funded, you could pretty much do anything. There's no consistency rule. There is a consistency rule on the eval of 50%. Basically, you can't make 50% of the $3,000 profit, the profit target. So you can't do more than $1,500 in a day on the evals. Once you get funded, you could do anything that you want. Also, it says 170. Use the code COVETRADER and save 40%. And it's pretty easy. It's pretty, this is the accounts they have. I use this one to use the Tradeovate one. If you have Quant Tower or Rhythmic Trader Pro, you can use these. I didn't even realize that I can connect this to TradingView. I might connect this to TradingView if I get another account. My first account is TradeAvate because that's the easiest one, and most likely you guys are using that. So I want to use what you guys are going to be using, and then depending on what goes on, I might I might hook it up to TradingView. Yeah, so basically you get a test account, and then Pro. You can have up to 3 Pro accounts, and then I believe you can upgrade to a Pro Plus. Listen, I'm just trying to get funded here. And once I get funded, I'll figure out what Pro Plus is. That's where I'm at. You can see consistency rule is only in the test accounts. The drawdown is $2,000, and that is by the end of the day. I guess the Pro account is intraday. Interesting. Daily loss limit is in play. Yeah, withdrawals day one. That's kind of why I wanted to try Take Profit Trader. I'm getting payouts from other prop firms, and I'm over right now on an account, and I have to wait. It would be nice to just pull the money out. So that's kind of where I'm at. News rule, interesting. On Pro and Pro Plus, you must be out of all positions 1 minute before, during, and after the news event. For the test account, you can do whatever you want. But just remember, you can only make $1,500 in a day, so you can't even pass in one day. Yeah, so you can't use trading bots either. Here's all the rules. News rule. All Pro accounts must be out of positions. The FOMC meetings, non-farm payroll, CPI. In addition, crude oil, bond auctions. Okay. So, it's pretty simple. Listen, guys, at the end of the day, you trade technicals, you make money, you get funded, you earn money, you pull out. If you're trying to scam the system, that's on you. Some of them allow you to trade like CPI, where you can pass an account in a day. Obviously, that's great. But when you get to the funded spots, you can't do stuff like that. So just follow the rules, trade your plan, and get paid. It's pretty simple. So here's kind of my Take Profit Trader review. I got the account because a lot of you guys are using it, so I figured I'd join in. And I shall see you Monday on the stream.